Flip-flops, Holly says. She says flip-flops. Oh, some people had different names for flip-flops. Okay, why is this not coming out? I didn't cut it all the way. Okay, are you ready? Get set. Here we go. This one is called the Happy Thoughts Octagon. And it's funny when I come up with these names. I don't know who came up with that name. But look at this. So it is me. Happy Thoughts Octagon card. What does that mean? It means, and let me show you. It means that the card front is an octagon. Is it really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Whew. Just had to check that one for a second. So look how cute this is. Congratulations. Now, look at this background die. Can you see that background die? It has little dots cut out and it has little cut marks. It is the cutest pattern I've ever seen. I'm madly in love with it. Now, look how cute this is, baby. Isn't that adorable? So you're getting those cut corners on the card front, but the card side. Now, don't forget, you could also do it horizontally, right? Now, it also comes with the words. So I can't read that. I'm going to grab the sample. Oh, I don't have the sample. That's fun. It says, sending lots of happy thoughts your way. Sending lots of happy thoughts your way. Look at how cute that is. You guys, this background die is not going to get the attention it deserves. You are getting, let me see, let's count how many dies you're getting. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dies in this. This is an A2 size card base. Now, you know what? Because I know this is not going to get the love it deserves, I'm going to die cut it for you because it deserves love. And I know it just doesn't look like much in the packaging. So I have to show it to you because it's so pretty. So let's grab some dark purple. This is Pansy. And we're just going to go ahead and die cut this really quick. Of course, all of our dies work in all of the standard machines. We're going to lay this down and we're going to run this through just really quick because it's just not going to get the love it deserves. Now, let me tell you, we do a lot of card bases at the Stamps of Life because cutting out an A2 card base is like this joke, right? Okay, first of all, let me show you this. So we're going to pop that out. Look at that. Oh gosh, I wish you could see that little X. Is there any way we could get closer? I don't think we can. But it has these little cut marks on it. So it has the 4 dots, but then it has 2, 4, 6, 8 cut marks around each one. And it just kind of like, it's like a deep emboss, but it's a cut mark. It just looks so cool. But even that just looks cool. So I have a thing about A2 card bases. How many times have you taken a piece of cardstock? We're just talking regular A2 card bases. You've taken a piece of cardstock. You've taken it to your trimmer and you've cut it in half perfectly. Then you've taken it to your scoring tool and you score it in half perfectly. And then you fold it to make the perfect A2 size card. And when you fold it, the corners do not line up. It's a conspiracy. Like, what the heck? You cut it perfectly, you scored it perfectly, and the corners still do not line up. Wah! Drives me crazy. So years and years and years and years ago, back when I was a designer for Sizzix, I actually came out with a standard A2 card base. I was desperate. I wanted a die that cut perfectly. And of course, dies cut perfectly, right? So I kind of expanded on that. We do flip it, stand up, step ups, you name it, we do it. But this one is a little different because it has the fun base. So let's look at it. So here it is. Here's those cute little sandals again. Shell, yeah. But look at that. Isn't that cute? This is the card base itself. So it cuts out those cute little corners. Look at how fun that is. So this is the Happy Octagon. Is that what it's called? Happy Thoughts or Happy Thoughts Octagon. It also comes with a photopolymer stamp. Uh-oh, we got something wrong here. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Trying. There we go. This is a photopolymer stamp set, okay? Not to be confused with the cheaper version of acrylics. These cost more. These are way better. Happy birthday. Everything is better when we're together. Congratulations. Kindness is free. Thank you. Thinking of you. Wishing you the best today, tomorrow, and always. This stamp set really is like the whole enchilada, right? It has everything. It has thank you, birthday, thinking of you, congratulations, wishing you the best. like really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stamps. You're going to keep this one out all the time, but it comes with this set. So it comes with the A2 card base. Now, our card bases at the Stamps of Life are, we have A1, which is like invitation size. A2 is the most popular one. All of these are standard in the United States. A2, A7, which is also known as 5x7, mini slimline, and regular slimline. So those are the standard card bases in the United States. They will not cost you extra postage. Who wants to pay extra for postage? Not me, just saying. Okay, so that is the Happy Thoughts Octagon. Let me show you a couple samples that I have because they are awesome. Here we go. I showed you this one a little bit already. This is the cute little koala. Here's this one. I already showed you that. But look how fun this base is. Isn't that awesome? Something totally different. Here's a fun one. You take the cake. Isn't that cool? Happy birthday. Now look at this one. This one is a die I took on HSN a while back. It says Happy Spring, but what we're looking at here is this background die. That is the one that's in the set. Also, here we go. You can do it horizontal. You can also do it horizontal. Sunshine. Isn't that cute? Kindness is free. These stickers I took on HSN, I think last time I went on. So that is the die set, A2 card base. And the item number on that one again is 924999. Now, just a heads up, let me look at the quantities on these. This one is a little bit more limited than some of the others, just a heads up. Not 1,000% limited, but it's a little bit more limited than you would probably expect. Why? I have no idea. But moving on. We're going to put this somewhere. Here we go. Right there. The next, oh, and look how, you guys, I can't wait for you to see this in real life, the background die. And this, of course, you could use on any card base, right? It's standard A2 size. Okay, moving on. We are going to look at this one. Ooh, okay.